Sacred science approaches the Fibonacci sequence as a mathematical pattern that appears repeatedly in natural growth processes. It does not claim that Fibonacci causes life to unfold, nor that it governs reality with intention. What can be observed is that this sequence reliably describes how many systems grow while maintaining proportional stability. The sequence models expansion that does not collapse coherence. Fibonacci reveals how form can grow while remaining ordered. And so, here are 8 scientific truths hidden in the Fibonacci sequence. 1. Growth follows additive continuity. Each Fibonacci number emerges from the sum of the two before it. Growth proceeds by accumulation, not replacement. 2. Expansion preserves proportion. Ratios between successive Fibonacci numbers converge toward a stable constant. Growth maintains balance as size increases. 3. Natural spirals optimize space leaf arrangements. Phyllotaxis and seed patterns often approximate Fibonacci spirals. These configurations reduce overlap and maximize exposure. 4. Efficiency emerges without planning. Fibonacci-like patterns arise through local growth rules. No global design is required for coherent outcomes. 5. Scaling does not disrupt structure. As forms increase in size, relative proportions remain consistent. Coherence persists across scale. Boundaries shape emergence. Physical constraints influence where Fibonacci patterns appear. Structure arises from limitation, not freedom alone. 7. Variation clusters around the pattern. Natural systems rarely match Fibonacci perfectly. The sequence acts as an attractor, not a rigid rule. 8. Order appears through iteration. Repeating simple processes generates complex, stable forms. Complexity emerges without centralized control. And so, we realize the Fibonacci sequence does not command growth. It describes how growth remains coherent. Order can emerge without instruction. Pattern appears through repetition. So we ask ourselves, where does my growth build rather than reset? What expansions preserve balance instead of breaking it? How do small additions compound over time? Where am I expecting perfection when approximation is enough? What order might be forming without my awareness? Growth does not need force to remain stable. Expansion does not require control to stay coherent. Patterns persist because they work. And you are the sacred intelligence capable of growing through iteration without losing form.